Class 1. Welcome back to school after your long summer vacation. Of course, you are still at home, but from today we have started our video lesson once again. Now, remember, I teach computers. This is a new subject, computers, and you will be happy to know that you have finished your first semester portion. So from now on, whatever we will be doing, it will be revision. Today, I will be revising lesson number 1, computer, a machine. Before we learn what is a machine, we must know what is a natural thing. Anything that is found in nature is a natural thing. The birds, the animals, us human beings, we are not made in a factory. Anything not made in a factory, not made by a human being, is a natural thing. We have got 3 examples here: tiger, flower, tree, and you must be knowing many more. Then you have something called man-made things. These are things which are made by man, either in a factory or even at home. It is something that is not found in nature, it's not natural, it is made by a human being in a factory. For example, a chair, a bed, a car. A car is made in a factory. A chair may not be made in a factory. A chair may be made by your carpenter. Okay? But still it is not something you find hanging on trees. A chair or a bed is made by a carpenter in his workshop. So these are all man-made things. Machines. Now, a chair is not a machine, but there are some of the man-made things are machines. All man-made things are not machines. Some man-made things are machines. Machines, they work fast, okay? They save our time. Your mummy at home uses a washing machine to wash your clothes. Washing clothes with a machine is faster than washing with hand. They make our work easy. Make our work easy. Ask your mother which is easier, washing clothes with a washing machine or washing clothes without a washing machine. Obviously the answer will be with the washing machine. So machines make our work easier. But they cannot work on their own. They cannot work on their own. Your washing machine will not take the clothes on its own and start by itself. Your fan will not become on by itself. The light will not go on by itself. You have to put it on. You have to put it off. You have to start. You have to load the washing machine with clothes. To drive a car, you need a person. So, machines cannot work on their own. We have to use them. Now, there are different kinds of machines. अलग-अलग तरह का machine होता है. Some machines run on electricity. बिजली से चलता है. These machines run on electricity. Right now, while you are seeing this video, the fan is on. That fan is a machine and it runs on electricity. Or maybe you have an AC. That AC is also a machine and it also runs on electricity. Some more examples: washing machine and the mixie, they all run on electricity. Some machine runs on fuel, petrol, diesel. तेल से चलता है, इससे चलता है, तेल से चलता है. So, not any oil, not your mustard oil in your kitchen, but using petrol and diesel, some machines work. Like the aeroplane, like the car, some types of trains. Some trains run on electricity, some trains run on diesel. And your bike also, motorbike, scooter, they also run on fuel. Some machines, they neither work on electricity, neither they work on fuel, ना तेल से चलता है ना बिजली से चलता है, हम लोग को चलाना पड़ता है. जैसे रिक्शा, रिक्शा is a machine, a boat is a machine, but neither it runs on electricity, neither it runs on fuel like petrol, diesel. It runs with human power. Can you think of any more example? Yes, the bicycle, not the motorbike. The bicycle also you have to pedal. Okay, that also works on human power. Now we come to computers. Computers are also machines. They run on electricity. And what do we use computers for? We can use computers to play games, draw pictures, type words, do sums, listen to music, watch videos, and many more things. A computer never makes mistakes. Computer doesn't make mistakes. It never gets tired. Computer कभी थकान नहीं लगता है. It can store many things. It can work only when you order it. It's a machine, so it cannot work on its own. It will work only when you order it. There are 4 types of computers. Okay, the desktop, the laptop, the tablet, and your smartphone. The mobile phone you have at your home, that is also a computer. Okay, it's a phone, but it is also a computer. Desktop computers, they are very big in size. These are the sort of computers we have in our computer room. You may be having one in your house also. It has this monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. You cannot keep them on your table. You cannot keep them on your lap. They are a little big, so you have to keep them on a table or desk. Laptop computer. Now, laptop computers are smaller. Here I am using a laptop computer. A laptop computer, this is what it looks like. They look like a small briefcase, what your father maybe carries to the office. They are smaller than desktop computers and you can easily carry them anywhere. Okay, you can put them in a bag and take it anywhere you go. Unlike a desktop computer which you cannot carry, laptop computer you can put inside a bag and carry. Tablets. Have you heard of something called tab? Tab is nothing else but a short form for tablets. Okay? They are bigger than smartphones, but they are smaller than laptops. And they have touch screens. You may have heard the word screen touch. Okay? You touch the screen and do all the work. Now, the word is not screen touch. The correct word is touch screen. And tablets have touch screens. Okay? And the last type of computer is smartphones. They are mobiles on which we can do internet, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. You may have heard all these things. You may be doing some of those things also. These can be all be done on a mobile. And we also use them to take photos, listen to music, and watch videos. They are the smallest of the. You know what a smartphone looks like. You may not have seen a desktop computer, you may not have seen a tab, but you have certainly seen a mobile. You know what it looks like. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. There's a small assignment for you. You have to do some sort of pasting work, cutting and pasting work. See the assignments and do it please.